Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today's video we're going to be trying out some new makeup. Well, new makeup to me. These are not new releases or anything, but these are just items that I picked up from Ulta that I really wanted to test out. If you guys want to see me try on these products that are new to me, then just keep on watching. I was just really intrigued to test out some new products from Ulta. So one thing that I picked up that I was really interested to get is this e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer. I used to use the putty primer that was like in the circular jar, and you have to like wipe it with your hand. This one is liquid version, so I was really excited when I saw that they came out with the liquid form of this. And I've been needing a new primer, so I'm like, why not just use a primer that I used to use and just see how it is the liquid version. So I picked up this liquid putty primer and we're just gonna see how it is. It feels really nice, and this one actually, it has a scent to it. It kind of smells like sunscreen to me. Like it has a little scent to it. The thing I did notice with this primer, maybe it doesn't go well with my sunscreen. I feel like it's causing some, like, I feel like it's causing the product to like ball up. Like it's causing like little ball ups of product. So I would just be careful, I guess, not to keep blending, because I was blending it in like and rubbing it in kind of like a moisturizer, and maybe with this one you should more tap it in. So next time I'll try to tap it in more and see if that works better, if that application form works better. I picked up a color correcting stick from NYX. This is the NYX Pro Fix Stick, and it's a correcting concealer. I picked up mine in Apricot. So something I don't do that I want to do more often is color correct, because I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation. I think my foundation would look so much smoother if I just color corrected. And I do have darkness around my mouth, so I'm just going to use this to color correct around my mouth. And I'm gonna use it here because I have a lot of darkness on my jawline. A foundation brush and just blend that in there. Now the reason why I took orange or this peachy color is because I just heard that it balances with the deeper, darker skin. It helps to neutralize and balance the darkness. I feel like I did a really good job of balancing around my mouth, because usually around my mouth is very dark, especially here, but the color correct really covered it and helped to balance that out. And also it helped to balance out the dark spots on my jawline. So this might actually be like a really good color corrector, because I don't have a lot of color correctors. Actually, I think I have like 2 color correctors, but I feel like this is like such a good step in my makeup routine. For complexion, I picked up this Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. I love Maybelline complexion products. I feel like they make one of the best complexion products, whether it's drugstore, high-end. I just love the way Maybelline makes the complexion products. So I was really intrigued to try out this skin tint from them, and I just went to test it out to see how it is. It has like a doe foot applicator. I'm actually going to use a sponge today with the skin tint. And I'm not going for like a full coverage look, that's why I'm using the skin tint today. But I'm just really excited to see how it looks. From just initial, it looks pretty liquidy. Like it literally, like it's just dropping, like very liquidy. But we'll see how it applies on the skin. Apply it straight to the sponge. Yeah, because it's like, it's really liquidy, and I'm just like a little scared. I'm just gonna tap some tabs. It smells like the Fit Me foundation. It has like the same scent as the Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Coconut, which is I think 355 is Coconut. Yeah, it's in 355. I usually like 356, which is warm coconut, because I feel like coconut by itself is very red, but they don't have warm coconut, so I'm just gonna go with coconut. As I applied it, like I was like kind of surprised with the coverage. Skin tint, and it looks like I'm wearing a foundation. So I'm like, wow, this is like a really great coverage product. Like This is a really great coverage product. Like, it has a lot of coverage and I am shocked. Now the color I'm not a huge fan of because I do feel like it runs more red on me. Like, if you look, my face and my chest, like, it's like two separate undertones. I just wish they kind of came out. I wish that they kind of came out with something in between that wasn't so red, but that's how coconut is. I put some concealer just to make it a little bit more yellow. So I'm just gonna take my Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. Oh no, I'm not. In the Maybelline family, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Concealer, and I have this one in the shade 50. So I'm going to use this. This has more of a yellow undertone, so I'm going to use that to highlight underneath my eyes. And this will just help to kind of balance out the redness from the foundation. So far it's not looking too bad. Like, on camera it looks very smooth, very even. In person I feel like it does kind of accentuate my texture just a little bit, but that could be the primer. And also my skin has been going through some texture issues lately, so maybe it's just I just need to do some skincare, something to help it, because I feel like I have like these little bumps that keep kind of popping up on my face, and I'm wondering, I just realized I have like more bumps, so I'm wondering if something gave me a reaction. But aside from that, it looks very smooth, very nice, aside from the bumps on my skin, but I think that's more of a me problem than the foundation. But after applying the concealer, I feel like it kind of helped to balance out the redness, because now the center of my face is more warm, is more yellow, and then the outer perimeter is more red, more neutral. As it's drying, I'm gonna contour using my favorite Tarte Sculpt contour. I picked up this brush from Real Techniques. This is the Real Techniques 261 brush. It is the Snatch plus Sculpt contour brush. So I'm going to test it out to see how good it is. It's very dense. Like, it's a very dense brush. With using it's not bad. It's just a little bit more dense, which might be a good thing, because when it's more dense it holds more product and it won't slide around as much. But it's not a bad brush. I feel like it also got into the hollows of my cheeks very nicely. Finish contouring my nose. So before I put in any setting powder or anything powder, I want to go in with a blush. So I picked up the e.l.f. Camo liquid blush, and I have another one. It's pink. I picked up two of them, a pink one and this orange one. This is Gorg Orange. I just really wanted a good orange blush because I don't have any orange blushes, and I learned my lesson with the pink blush. Don't apply too much. So I'm gonna take honestly the tiniest little dot and apply that, because this blush is very pigmented, and the tiniest bit does go a long way. So I'm just gonna take one dot, because last time I took like 2 dots and it was so pigmented. So this time I'm just taking 1 dot each. I'm gonna take a sponge and just blend this out. The orange might not be as pigmented as the pink. Let's take a little bit more. Ooh, I think I took a little too much. Let's see. Let's take a little bit more. I take my blush higher up these days as opposed to on the apples of my cheeks, because it's the apples of my cheeks, but I take my blush a lot higher, and I kind of also take it up to my temples because I want my face to go this way. It's stunning. Like, I think this will be a blush that I will wear a lot during the summer, just because I feel like it's such a nice, like, sun-kissed looking blush. Like, it's beautiful, and orange blush looks really good on my skin tone as well. So I think I'd definitely be rocking this during the summertime. Like, this is stunning. I'm gonna go in with some setting powder underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna let all this bake. 2 more products to show you guys. I'm gonna do my eyes really quick off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the lip stain. Like, it's stunning, the lip stain that I picked up. Like, I want to get more of these. Like, you guys are gonna see, it's amazing. So I'm back with my eye makeup done. I just did something very simple, just mascara and a little bit of eyeliner on my waterline, my eyeshadow in my inner corner. Very basic. I gotta tell you guys that I did get a setting mist. I got the NYX Professional Marshmallow setting spray. It says that it is a matte finish makeup setting spray, so I am going to test this baby out. So my face looks pretty matte right now. I didn't put on any highlight or anything, so I'm just gonna go in with this setting mist. Oh, this is very scented. This smells very sweet. I'm just hoping that I don't get a reaction to it, because my skin is very sensitive to products with scents. Really picked it up because I heard such great reviews about this product, and I heard that's a really great setting spray. So I just wanted to test it out, and so far it is like my skin does still look pretty matte, so that's a really good thing. So this product holds up throughout the day. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is this lip stain from Mellow. I picked up the Color Fetish Hydrated Lip Stain in Mauve Mentality. These are pretty new, so when I saw them I was like, oh, let me try them, because I've been loving lip stains. I've been loving lip balms, like more so glossy products lately as opposed to mattifying liquid lipsticks. I still love matte liquid lipsticks, but I have been wearing these more. So this color is stunning. I've worn this color a bunch of times before trying it out today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because I just really love it, and it does last a very long time. So I'm going to start out first by lining my lips using my Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. Now for the start of the show, this color, like initially when you put it on, it looks very clear. So look at this, like you see it looks pretty clear, but then as you layer it, it gets more pigmented. This is one coat. I'm gonna go in with 2 coats. Guys, look at this. This is stunning. Like, it is so beautiful, and it complements my skin tone so nicely. Like, I wear this to work all the time, and then I like to go a little bit around it with more liner, just to really accentuate the color. Out of everything I tried out today, like, I definitely love the color correct. Like, that was really amazing, and this lip product just so stunning. And the skin tint is not bad, it's just my skin is going through something. So to retry the skin tint again when my skin is not going through this phase right now that's going through. It's like just very bumpy. But aside from that, I think this was a great shopping trip. I think I picked up some great products. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video and just chilling with me, trying out this makeup together. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe down below. And also don't forget to let me know in the comment section what type of videos are you guys interested in. What type of videos do you guys like to see from beauty content creators? Like, what are some things that you guys are interested in seeing? But thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.